In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Shopify. There are two ways to do this, either automatically or manually. Let's begin with the automatic method. First, you will need to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, go to the Settings option, then select Domains. Upon arriving at the Domains page, you will see an option that says Connect Existing Domain. Click on it. Then you will need to enter your GoDaddy domain name, for example, your domain.com. After entering your domain name, click Next. After clicking on Next, you will find an option that says Connect Automatically. Go ahead and click on it. Once you clicked, a new window will open, asking you to log in to your GoDaddy account. Now, log into your GoDaddy account to allow Shopify permission to connect to your domain. After logging in, locate and click on the Connect button in your GoDaddy account, and then click on Close in the Shopify window. Now we have to wait for a bit. It might take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate or take effect. Now, let's talk about the manual method. Just like before, you will need to access your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Settings, then Domains, and click on Connect Existing Domain. Enter your GoDaddy domain name, then click on Next. This time, choose the option to connect manually or follow the manual instructions provided by Shopify. Now, switch to your GoDaddy account and navigate to the DNS settings for the domain you want to connect to Shopify. Here, you will need to delete any existing A or C name records. Afterward, it's time to update the A record. In the type field, enter A. For the name, enter an @ symbol. In the value or data field, enter this specific set of numbers, 23.227.38.65. Once done, save the record. Next, it's time to create or update the CNAME record. In the type field, enter CNAME. For the name field, enter www. In the value or host field, you will need to type shops.myshopify.com. After entering these details, save the record. Go back to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Verify Connection. After this, your connection should have been verified. You may need to click on the domain in Shopify to set it as your primary domain. Lastly, you should remember that just like the automatic method, any DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to completely propagate. Therefore, if your changes do not take effect immediately, do not panic. Just allow some time, and they will apply. And that, folks, concludes our tutorial on how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify.